Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create this exercise number 78. So as we have done so many times in the past, we need to decide the sketch that we will draw in SolidWorks first. So we have a advantage to create the most of the features by drawing the single sketch, right? So here is the most appropriate view to draw this top view, right? So now we need to decide from where we need to start to draw this exercise. So first we will draw the smaller circle which has diameter of 13 mm and the bigger circle which has diameter of 50 mm. So let's go on SolidWorks and draw these two circles from the origin. So first select the top view and go to sketch. Now select circle and draw two circles. The smaller one has 13 mm diameter and the bigger one is 50 mm diameter, right? Now now we will draw this horizontal line and this vertical line. So this horizontal line has a 140 mm length and the vertical line is 88 mm length. So let's draw in. So first select the line command and draw one horizontal line and draw one vertical line. Now select smart dimension. The horizontal line has length of 140 and vertical has 88, right? Next we will draw this arc which has radius of 31.75, and next we will draw this arc which has radius of 180. So let's draw this two arc to complete this outer periphery. So let's go and do it. So here we select first this 3-point arc and select this point and like that. Select smart dimension. Radius of this is 31.75. Now again select this 3-point arc and draw one 3-point arc like that. Now select smart dimension. Radius is 180. Now select this arc and this arc and make tangent. Select this arc and this circle and make tangent. So now we have completed our outer periphery. Let's do something inside features. So now this line is 7 mm inside the from this, and arc this arc is inside from this arc by 7 mm, right? So we will use offset entities and draw this inner boundary, and after that we will add this another features, right? So let's do it. Firstly we select offset entities, select this one and here make reverse, and it is 7 mm, right? And apply. Okay, now select the trim entities and trim this one and this one. Next we will draw this vertical line which is 25 mm height, which has a 25 mm height, and distance from this line is 45 mm. So let's draw this. So select the line commands and draw one vertical line and draw one horizontal line like that. Select smart dimension. Okay, so just delete this one. Select this constraint and delete it. Now select smart dimension. It is 25 and from here is 45. Now select the trim entities and trim this one and this one. Now we will draw this line which has a 30 mm length and it is 24 mm far from, it's not 24 mm, sorry, it is 25.5 mm far from this line. So let's draw it. Now select again line commands and draw it like that. Select smart dimension. This is 13 mm and distance from here is 25.5. Okay, so just delete this one. select this one and delete. Now select smart dimension, and not from here, from here, just 25.5. Now select trim entities and trim this too. So now draw this line and this line and this line. So distance of this line from this line is not from this line, sorry, distance of this line from this line is 83 mm, right? So first we will draw this line, and after this, which is a 13 mm and 30 mm length, and after this line. And next thing, okay, let's do it. Okay, so length of that we don't know. So okay, yeah, here it is 25.3. So let's do it. So now select the line and draw line simply like that. Select smart dimension. This length is 25.3 and distance from here is 83, and length of this line is 13 mm. Okay, now select trim entities and trim this one, right? And also trim this one, sorry, select trim entities and trim this one and this one. Okay, so now we'll draw this rectangle which has width of 24 mm and height is 17.5 and distance from this side is 7. So let's draw it. So select the line commands, sorry, not line, but select the rectangle and draw it. Now select smart dimension. Its width is 24 and distance from here is 7 and width is 17.5. and this length is also 7. You can delete this one, and it's you can use like that. Select this line and select this line and make collinear. Same you can do it here. So delete this one and select this line and select this line and make collinear. So now it is fully defined. Okay, so now draw these two circles which is far from each other is 12.5 mm and distance from this line is 6.5, and the distance of this center line from here to it is 14. So let's draw it, and also its diameter is 6.5. So let's draw it. So now select the circles and draw two circles, and both circle is same diameter, so apply the equal constraint to it, and diameter of the circle is 6.5 and this distance is 6.5, and both circles are collinear. So make horizontal and select smart dimension. This distance is 14, so, and this distance is 12.5. Now draw these two circles. All our things are similar to these two circles, but the distance from this edge is different, right? Here is 6.5 and here is a 7, and the distance between this two center lines are 38. So let's draw it. So select circle and draw circles like that. Both circle has same diameter, so make equal, and the center are horizontally sorry, that both center are collinear. So now select smart dimension and it's 12.5, and the distance from here is 38 and distance from here is 7. Or sorry, delete this one. We can do this by other way like that and make coincident. Now apply diameter to this circle is 6.5. Now only this thing is remain, right? So the diameter of this outer circle is 20 mm and inner circle is 10 mm, and distance from here from this edge is 25 mm, and distance from this line is 63.5. So let's draw it. So select circle and draw two circles. Diameter of this bigger one is 20 and diameter of this smaller one is 10. Distance from this edge is 63.5 and distance from this line is 25. So now we need to apply the fillet, right? So let's apply the fillets. So this all fillets, the outer fillets is 5 mm. So let's create this. So now select the fillet, apply all the respective location. It is 5 mm. Okay, we need to apply manually here because it is not automatically created, right? So now it is completed and apply OK. So select now 3-point arc and do arc from this point to here. Okay, so it is not created like that. Now select this arc and make tangent. Select this arc and this line and make tangent. Radius of it is 5 mm. It's applied automatically because it's only 5 mm to create this tangency, right? So now create this. So now it is created. Now create this inside fillet of rectangles. It is 4 mm. So let's create. Select fillet and apply at all four corners, which is 4 mm, and apply OK. So now our the top view is completed. We will start to extrude it, right, one by one. So now select extruded boss and select this sketch and select this one, which is 26. So delete this one and it is 26. But some of geometry are not fully like that, right? And this one is also. Delete this one. So now apply OK. So now we have this, right? So let's do the next extrude. So now we extrude this inside things, right, which is 26 minus 20, so 6 mm from the bottom, right? It is 20 and that is 26. So we need to extrude this inside thing from here to here is 6 mm. So let's create this one. So now again select the extruded boss and select the same sketch. Select this one, which is 6 mm. So apply OK. So now it is done. And next is this 7 mm inside cavity, right? So let's create this one, which is rectangle, nothing but. So let's create this. So again select extruded boss and select the sketch 2. Select this one and it is 19 mm and apply OK. So now we apply the fillets. So let's check how much it. Yeah, so it is 5 mm. So let's apply it. So now select the fillet and select this one and select this. It is 5 mm. Yes, select full preview and apply OK. So now our exercise is completed. Let's apply appearance to it. So go here, select this fillet and right click, and here select the body and select this one, apply OK. Now our exercise has been fully completed. So if you like this video and exercise, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.